Goedemiddag mensen, dit is de uitbouwing van die pick-up, de LDV, lichte handelsvoertuig. It's a restoration of the light delivery vehicle, part 6. So let me show you something. I had to do some wiring here, and I had to replace the pipe of the clutch there. I had to make a funny arrangement there, and then also did something with the thermostat, and this is stainless steel pipe to make this pipe up like so. En dan het ek die bedrading gedoen van deze voertuig. Done some wiring on this vehicle on the inside because of this, the gasoline model doesn't have that. Previously, ek het van tevore 'n video gemaak oor die thermostat. But this is a thermostat of the Iveco or a Jeep or a Tata. Now, it's an 80 degrees Celsius thermostat, and I cut it off like so, dan sny daar af, en ek neem die oorspronklike ene, the original one, I cut it off like so, and then I stick it with silicone onto there, and I cut that back part off there as well. Ek sny daar so af agter, en so kan so in pas, so that it can fit like this to the water pump. Now with the brakes, not the brakes, with the clutch. Met die koppelaar was daar ook 'n ander probleem. Deze 404 het deze cylinder, that's clutch master cylinder, and works with this pipe. So this pipe comes onto there, down to the slave cylinder. And now I must use metal pipe. Dan moet ek 'n staalpyp gebruik. So what I now must do, or what I've done, wat ek toegedoen het, is ek sny deze pyp daar af. I cut the pipe off there, and then I put this front piece into my modified fitting. So it's a nut that comes onto there, and a pipe fitting. Pipe fitting like this, and I weld them together. So now I can turn this metal pipe into here, into there, and I just put this little piece with a rubber seal in like that, or rather like that. And I turn that in first, and then I put my metal pipe in like so, and now I can use the 505 GTI cylinder. Now, this watch packed up, and the guy fitted a tractor heat gauge there, and I decided, okay, I'm taking that out because it doesn't work anymore, and I'm going to fit a 505 GTI car heat gauge in there. So this speedometer is also from a GTI 505. As you can see, the figures, they more on them. It's at 138,000 something odd kilometers on the clock, the 505. So the gearbox is in there, and the thrust ratio is also the same. So it's everything to do with the GTI 505 5-speed car. The ratio. Bye-bye, dan sê ek dankie dat julle na die video gekyk het. Dan sê ek start bye-bye, thank you for looking, viewing this video of this pickup, building this pickup, restoration of this pickup.